If you have asked around for natural supplements that have multiple benefits, maca powder might have been one of the options that you are given. What is maca? It is a root vegetable, similar to radish, that is native to the Andes of Peru. The scientific name of the vegetable is Lepidium mayani and it belongs to the radish family. People find the taste to be earthy and nutty generally. Maca root is consumed in powder form. It is also available as a liquid extract and in capsules. People add it to their oatmeal and smoothies. For thousands of years, maca root has been used for its medicinal properties. But it is only recently that it is taking center stage around the world as a newfound superfood and supplement. Researchers are also coming up with studies which prove that its status is well deserved. Studies are also showing that there are even more health benefits associated with this powerful root vegetable than earlier thought. However, it is important to note that the research on the root vegetable is still in its early stages. 1. It is rich in nutrients and antioxidants. One of the main reasons that maca powder has been growing in popularity recently is because it contains several nutrients and antioxidants. Full of amino acids, iron, zinc, calcium, and vitamins, including B1, C, B2, and E. A dash of this powerful powder can mean that your normal diet is much more balanced. Out of the 20 amino acids that the maca powder possesses, 8 are essential amino acids which the body cannot produce and needs to get from the diet. Amino acids are crucial for the breaking down of food and for tissue repair. 2. It helps keep your energy up. Maca can help stabilize blood glucose level, which is why people report an increase in energy after having it. Usually, when your blood sugar increases, your body produces more insulin to try and correct it. This will result in an energy crash. With the help of maca in your diet, your sugar levels will be more stable and thus your energy level will also be more stable, with fewer peaks and crashes. 3. It raises your libido. Some research has linked having maca powder to balancing hormones and better sexual health. People have been using it for increased libido. It is definitely not a cure for all sexual problems but benefits those who have a healthy lifestyle with exercise and a good diet. 4. It boosts your brain power. The fatty acids present in maca help support brain activity. Omega-3s, in particular, help in rational thinking, brain function, cognitive skills, and analytical skills. Some research even shows that having enough omega-3s in your diet aids in treating neurological disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease. 5. It improves your mood. Studies have linked having maca to uplifting your mood. It elevates the symptoms of depression and reduces anxiety. It has been shown to have particular effect in menopausal women. Plant compounds called flavonoids is said to be the reason behind these effects on the mood.